there was a lot of headlines around that the governor made a big mistake, and it even made national news because that sounds, there's only 50 there are only 50 governors, so they made this big mistake in the veto. But the governor's veto message, which is, as you say, there are two things constitutionally required for a governor's veto to take place. You got to return the bill. I'll talk about that in a second, why there's that requirement. Return the bill that's being vetoed and explain what your veto is. Governor Armstrong, I mentioned in the press conference the other day, he's a lawyer, and he's a good one. And his message was clear. It was clear what was being taken out. Even some people who disagreed with the ultimate conclusion of my attorney general opinion agreed that that message was very clear in what would be extracted from the bill as a result of the governor's line item veto. And then you have to return the bill. Well, there's been a common practice that has come along, not constitutionally mandated, that governors have scored out the words that they're taking out with their veto, but it has to be described. This is a case of first impression in North Dakota. It has never come up before. It hasn't been litigated before the Supreme Court, and there are no attorney general opinions on point. And I said the other day, and I say again today, it's because it's so clear. There's one person with the power to veto legislation in North Dakota, and that is the governor. This isn't a hieroglyphics contest. It is a language contest.